in my same sister's place, AP Maltese. You can see I'm coming from this entrance. We are going. AP Maltese's daughter, Lalita, is going front. This is a small bridge. You can see how it is. Water is coming from down. Natural water. See, oh, flowing. You can swim also. When we were small, we used to go in this water and we used to play. See, oh, white parrot. Dense betelnut tree and coconut tree also. Few are there. Mostly betelnut trees are more. My sister's daughter, Lalita, who stayed at Mysore, she has also come here. Today we are going Uppinagadi for doing some religious function. So this is, oh, she is going from inside this route. Here is a walk route is here, but we go from like this. Beautiful place, beautiful for vision. Now it is morning. Seven 20 or something. Walking, morning walk also in nature, not like in city. Okay, thank you.